It is Katipi Ball by World Sports Betting. It is the Times of CO.za live in the city of Mexico City. Junior Kanye, how did you see the game, sir?
Kule mabrada ngicela ngibulise wena. Mabrada kunjani? Ngibulise sister Jacinta. Bese ngibulise ngwenye uphakela umthakathi. Bafethu kunjani? Keep supporting Diski TV fighting no one trying to fix South African borders. Kule mabrada very disappointed ngebafana. Kusho ukuthi inkululeko poor strategy man. Poor planning, 8 defenders. Kululeko no creativity. I think it's high time. I blame Ngwenya Hugo Bruce. I don't know what bekaqabangani mara I think kululeko it's high time we bring abantu abafana nabo phakela umthakathi. Simgayi chance. Kululeko because sibonile Ngwenya isiprovile kwi match and match. Kululeko sibonile i-resilience. Kusho ukuthi boldness, kululeko confidence. Leadership. You know, Nkululeko sibonile ego, charisma. Kusho ukuthi Nkululeko mina ngimbona efitha ukuthi engayicoach bafana. Kusho ukuthi Nkululeko bengekudlule noma yini because bezobatshela abafana ukuthi backline. Create a board. Kungadluli noma ubani. Umuntu umeka afuna ukudlula bayambuza ukuthi unamaphepha na and uyapi uzokwenzani. Nkululeko kungabi easy. Bekazotshela uWilliams ukuthi wena walukasha i-goal line board. I-treat as i-board just to make sure ukuthi akudluli noma yini ebhaleni. Treat lela bhola as i-drug. Kululeko simple thing. Treat ibhola as i-drug. And nina niyibutho going there. I think it's high time simgayi chat. I-match and match kululeko iqiniso but backfire. Siyabona ibafana iluzile 2-0. And inkululeko ingasibuye nominini. Kusho ukuthi mabeyihlula bathi abahambe. Ivari inkululeko uyabuka ngisho bebuka ibhola. eSouth Africa ukuthi abalicedi. Omunye uthi hayi mina ngingena igoli lokucala ngahamba. Yabona inkululeko ukuthi nyamanje sekugcina kuhamba thina. Inkululeko ayikho mnandi. I think but at the same time it gives us the idea ukuthi let's apply i-match and match. I'm sure bengashintsha even national anthem. Because Morena Buluga, it's too weak. Nkululeko is too soft. Ayibaniki that fighting spirit. Kusho ukuthi Nkululeko bemele baqule amaqulo ebutho. Bathole that courage. Kukhona le ethi she awu. Hayi mnandi kakhulu leyo. Nkululeko kusho ukuthi my brothers ngawini World Cup ekseni. Nkululeko. She awu yi-one. Ingasisa kude mentally, psychologically abafana ingaba carrisha throughout the whole match and throughout the entire tournament. Because Morena Buluga too soft. Too soft Nkululeko iva reality. I don't know say what. It's too soft for abafana ukuthi ibase phambili. Manje sinida into strong Nkululeko. She awu. Aishi.
Hey, Thomas. Hey,